and his stick. You literally look like a mountain man.
I am a mountain man. Watch this. Oh. I need that.
Whoa.
Wow. If I was an animal, I'd live right there. Should we stand it up?
Yeah, you can try.
There's a fork in the road. Which way do we go?
I don't know. I was thinking I can use this as my stick.
You go that way, and I'll go this way, and I hope we meet up.
Oh! We did it. That looked like a heart.
Oh.
Look. Look. That one says Laurel.
I think that says Yanny Bluff Loof.
What? That's clearly Laurel.
I see Yanny.
This guy.
We're not following Yanny Loop. Machine Falls.
Did it. That was fun.
It was perfect. It was like maybe half a mile, 3/4 of a mile in. Nice waterfall, nice hike.
Beautiful, beautiful. What a perfect way to spend our long weekend. Exploring our new state. Our new green state.
Yeah, you see this?